Hello everyone, thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Excel Module 6 and Project 1A. I will do each task step by step and you can get your assignment solution by watching this complete video. If you want I solve this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, I will do your assignment and I will do your complete course at a reasonable price with 100% accuracy. I will do all Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and Access assignment at very reasonable price. For more information, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number and email address. My WhatsApp number and email address is showing at the bottom of screen. Now let's solve this assignment step by step. If you do not have this file, please download this file from your Cengage portal. I will download it, and now we are solving this assignment. The main part of this assignment is starting from project step. So we are solving our first step now. So our first step is switch to cancer center worksheet. So switch to cancer center worksheet and unfreeze the top row of the worksheet. So we go on Excel worksheet and switch to cancer center worksheet and see this if this is freeze or unfreeze. So our first row is freeze. So we need to unfreeze this. So go on view tab and in window group click on unfreeze pin. So this is unfreeze. Check this. So let's see, this is unfreeze. So move on our second step. Our second step is sort the data in cancer center table first in ascending order by admission field and then in ascending order by service field. So we need to sort the data in second step. So move on, click in the table and then go to table data tab and click on sort. Choose admission, admission in ascending order. Admission field in ascending order and then ascending order by the service field. So add new level, add level and choose service and ascending order and click on OK. So our second step is now completed. We are now solving our third step. Our third step is that insert a total row in the cancer center table and then use the total row to calculate the total of the values in the 2021, 2022 and 2023 periods. So we need to on table design and then check this box total row. That's include the total. So we need to add here, choose sum and then 2021 column and choose sum. Now we are completed our three step. So we move forward on fourth step. So our fourth step is the administrator overseeing the cancer center is considering mandating that all inpatient service names be different from outpatient service names and want to see which duplicates name are currently in use. Apply a conditional formatting rule to the range C4 to C11. Copy this range that use light red fill with dark red text to for duplicate values. So go to Excel worksheet and select range paste here and choose and go to home tab, conditional formatting in style, conditional formatting, and highlight cell rule. So we are choosing duplicate value. Duplicate value. What is the color? Light red, fill with dark red text. Light red, fill with dark red text. So this is our walls. So click on OK. So this is duplicate value in our step 4. So we move forward on step 5. Step 5 is switch to cardiac care worksheet and freeze the first column of the worksheet. So we need to switch to cardiac care worksheet. Cardiac care worksheet, switch to cardiac care worksheet, and let's see this is freeze or unfreeze. So this is freeze. We need to unfreeze this. Go to on view tab and then unfreeze it. Freeze it, freeze it, sorry, freeze it. Freeze it from freeze the first column of the worksheet. So we need to freeze the first column. So we need to here freeze them. Sorry, we need to freeze this first column. So freeze first column. So this is now freeze. This line is showing this is freeze by first column. So our 5 step is now completed. Now we are on 6th step. Format the range as an Excel table with a header using the gold table style medium 5 table style. Enter cardiac care as the name of the table. So select this, Control C, and then paste here, and then we need to table style. Insert. What is this? Sorry. Excel table with the header using the format the range as Excel table with the header using the this. We need to home tab, go to home tab and format as table. And what is this? Gold table style medium 5. Gold gold medium style, gold medium style medium 5. Choose this. OK, and then name, given a name cardiac care. Enter Control C and go to the table, and then here table name table 5, remove this and paste this name and click press enter the button. Then this is name is cardiac care. So our sixth step is completed. Our seventh step is that Donnie noticed that the cardiac care table is missing a record. Add the record shown in table 1 to the end of the cardiac care table. So we need to add the record. So copy this first cardiac care, copy this, Control C, and then Excel worksheet, and then add this. Paste, paste is here. Control V. Cardiac care is now added. Now add second record in patient. Copy this and paste this. And third column service. Other. Copy this and paste it. Now copy this and paste this, copy this and paste this, copy this and paste this in this. Apply a custom to the sales table so sorted in ascending order first by the values in the date column and then by the value in the amount. So we need to add the custom sort in the sales table. So we need to add the custom sort and then first we need to apply a custom sort to the sales table to sort it ascending order first by the values in date column. Select date column in ascending order and then values in amount column. Add amount and then click OK. So we have completed our 9th step and our step number 10 is Beninso want to make sure identify and remove duplicate record in the cell table as follow. In the range A5 to A40, create a conditional formatting highlights a rule that format duplicate values. So go to the select first we need to select the range and then go to the home tab conditional formatting highlight cell root and duplicate value and duplicate value what is the values with light red fill with dark red text, light red fill with dark red text and click OK. So here is two values and step number part B is delete the second duplicate record from the table. Do not delete the row from the worksheet. So we need to delete the record only from the table. So select this one and delete table row. So we have uh, this one. Select this one. Sorry, this one. Select this one and delete the table row. So we have completed our step number 10 and step number 11 is Benanso might want to filter the product detail data in a range I4 to M16. So he asks you to format as table. Format the range I4 to M16 as table, choosing the light gray table style medium 14. Light gray table style medium 14. Paste your range and select and form as table light gray. Light gray. Where is light gray? Light gray. Light gray table style medium 14. Light gray. Where is light gray? I think light gray in medium. Light gray. Light gray table style medium 28, white light gray table style medium for this one. Select this one, and click OK. So we have completed our 11 step here. To make it easier to data assign the table name detail. So we need to assign the mm, table name as detail. Copy this detail and go to the Excel worksheet, and then table name is paste it here detail. Click OK. Enter. So we have completed our 12th step here, and our 13th step is that Michael want to examine the January 2020 sales by country and channel. Create a pivot table based on the sales table as follows. On a new worksheet, insert a pivot table based on the data in the sales table and use January pivot as the name of the. So we need to insert a pivot table based on the data sales table. So insert a pivot table. So we need to insert a pivot table, sales data and new worksheet, and click OK. January period as the name of the worksheet. Copy this name and go to the Excel worksheet and rename this with the sheet 1. And display the channel type value as column heading. Channel type as column heading. Drag and drop in the column and display the location value is row heading. Location value is row heading. This one is row heading, and sum the amount values. Sum the amount values. Where is sum the amount values? This one. So we have completed our 13th step. Our 14th step is format the pivot table as follows. Apply the currency number format with 0 decimal places and the symbol to the sum of amount value. Click on sum of amount value field setting and then number format and choose currency with 0 decimal places and click OK. So we have completed our part A of step number 14, and use sales as the custom name of sum of amount field. Sum of amount field and paste it here. And in cell A4 use the country, copy this and in A4 paste it. In A4 paste this one. In cell B3 use channel to identify the column. Copy this one and B3 in B3 paste it. Paste it. Change the pivot table style to white pivot style medium 14. White pivot style medium 14. White pivot style medium 14. This one. And then OK. Step number 15 is insert a slicer based on the product field. So insert a slicer based on the product. So insert a slicer based on the product check this one and click OK. Move the move and resize the slicer so that it's covered the range F3 to J12. F3 to this one is F3 and G12 and this one and this one. So we have completed our 15 step. For remaining step, contact me at my WhatsApp number. I will provide you the solution file of this assignment for complete course deal. In complete course deal, we do all textbook project, trainings, exam, SAM project, class test, and all each and everything. So contact me at my WhatsApp number for complete course. Thanks for watching this complete video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.